Morning traders. Today is the 10th of August 2023, guys. I hope you are banking amazing profit. What a blessing day, guys. Amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market Euro USD. Pretty straightforward. We've been long yesterday. We had this beautiful trade as you have seen my yesterday analysis. So this morning, as explained to my trader, we were looking this breakout and pretty straightforward. We have impulsive. This is the correction. And if you look at this candlestick pattern, and that's what I explained my trader, you can see a bullish engulfing candle pattern that give you the high probability trade. We had this morning breakout long trade and my trader are still holding long and I'm enjoying amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That's a pretty straightforward this morning, as you can see here, based on this morning analysis just before London open. As mentioned to my trader, you can see looking for this breakout, price nicely broken and still developing a pullback. Beautiful long trade here. And as soon as the price hit to the first target, that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it when you see it in real time. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day.